Okay, working on a 95 for f250 with no starting issue. Okay, he's well known on these Fords, the equivalent to the map sensor, which is this one. It goes bad. Let's see. Unplug it and let's see what we got. What do you know? There you have it. So that was really easy. We need to get this sensor and all right, that'll do. There you have it, guys. 5-minute diagnosis. We got the check engine, but I'm gonna assume it's because I unplugged the sensor. Either way, I got my scanner. And I'm gonna scan it. All right, guys.